Welcome to episode 2 of T5 Adventures. This episode is called Attack of the Rust. We always knew owning a 15-year-old van would have its challenges. When we bought the van, we were aware that there's a rust patch to the left-hand side of the windscreen. We only found out in November though that there was a leak, a water leak. Water dribbled through and had managed to soak the step on the passenger side. We thought it's most likely due to the attack of the rust. We took it to a local body shop to have the rust treated. Behind the windscreen was quite an unpleasant surprise. Rust, lots of it. The body shop, KGB in Winslow, did a brilliant job though of removing all the rust right back down to bare metal, applying primer and then putting on a matching colour of paint to match the original paintwork. We've been really pleased with the finished job, all of the rust gone and the car looking relatively shiny again. The windscreen was put back in and the van is back on the road. The second day of being back on the road was a very rainy day. Lots of localised flooding in Buckinghamshire and Oxfordshire. It's a good test for the van. The new paintwork looked really good, but was the leak fixed? The answer is no. Sadly, we've still got water coming through. Thanks for watching, and hopefully in the next exciting episode we will see whether the water leak gets fixed.